Thinking of adding a new fireplace to your home and wondering how long the installation process will take? In this video, we'll break down the factors that determine the fireplace installation time and what you can expect for different types of fireplaces. The time it takes to install a fireplace depends on the fireplace type. Electric fireplaces are the quickest, often taking just a few hours to install. Gas fireplaces can take 1 to 2 days due to the need for gas line installation and proper ventilation systems. Wood-burning fireplaces require more time, especially if masonry work or a new ventilation system is involved, which can extend the process to several days or even weeks. Factors like building permits, inspections, and the complexity of the installation can also affect the timeline. For custom designs, additional steps may be required, such as detailed masonry or electrical wiring. It's always a good idea to consult a professional installer for an accurate timeline based on your specific project. Want to know more about fireplace installation? Visit our website for more detailed guides.